The sixth day of Advent of Tess is this alternating hexagons and triangles pattern. And you can, as with the rest of the patterns, continue in the same way further out. So you can treat all the hexagons as if they're the same as the central hexagon. Or you can vary things up a bit. This isn't an exact continuation of the original, because instead of a second closed hexagon, I chose a rectangular hybrid hexagon on the back. And that's not the only way to choose that. You can also have it at either of two more orientations. So these two actually I made with handmade paper from my friend James Oscastro. And there's so much good stuff going on with these papers. So I encourage y'all to go check out his work.